Welcome back to Tech Talks. We are still moving on how to get the shortest distance. Now for this case, we are dealing with power lines. And we said that, what do we know about power lines? We said the power lines have got the same gradient, and at the same time power lines, they don't meet. The angle between them is 0. So after knowing those stuffs, and I have said that, find the shortest distance between two power lines. The first line is 2x minus y plus 1 equals 0. And 2x minus y plus 5 equals 0. Now, what we do here, since they are not meeting, you have got 2x minus y plus 1 equals 0. We can call this one as line 1. And another one is 2x minus y plus 5 equals 0. This is line 2. So, when the lines are not meeting, it means they are having what we call the intercept. The intercept is always at 0, 1. For line 1, perpendicular to line 2, can say, consider at the point 0, 1, which is perpendicular from line 1 to line 2. So when we use that one, that means we are using 0, 1. This one is standing for x1. That means x1 equals 0 and y1 equals 1. So what is the line which you are considering? We are considering 2x minus y plus 5 equals 0. So what is A? A is 2, B equals -1, and C equals 5. So long as you hear that they are perpendicular, that's the condition which comes into. So what is the distance? Distance we say is given as magnitude ax1 plus by1 plus c all over the root of a squared plus b squared. So can we substitute in? What is our d? D will become, what is our a? Our a is already 2 into, what is our x1? Our x1 is 0 plus, what is our b? Our b is already -1 into, what is our y1? Our y1 is 1 plus, what is our c? Our c is 5 all over the root of, what is our a? A is already, we say 2 squared plus -1 squared, still under magnitude. So what is d? D becomes, this is already 2 times 0, 0, plus -1 times 1, you get -1 plus 5 all over 2 squared, you are getting 4, and 4 plus 1, it is still a 5. So what are you getting? D equals, up we are getting 4 out of 5 and the magnitude. So what does it become? It remains as 4 out of 5 units. So that is the perpendicular distance which is coming from the lines which are perpendicular to each other. That's what you can do with what we call perpendicular distance.